So, few of the doctors that I want to mention and their research and their books that they have authored, I will be talking from their perspectives, what they have researched, and I will share that in these episodes about fasting. First, I will cover about fasting and everything related to it, what they have talked about. So, the doctors that I will be covering are Dr. Jason Fung, Dr. William Lee. These are practicing doctors. Dr. Berg, he is a practicing doctor. So these are medical doctors. And then Dr. Jamna Das. And then there is Dr. Mindy Pels, who is not a medical doctor, but she is a chiropractor, and also she is a holistic health practitioner. So, and who else am I missing? Somebody? Well, these are the doctors that I will be talking about and their researches on fasting. So, stay tuned and learn about fasting from these doctors. And then I will be in parallel talking about the tradition of Islam, that how that teaches us fasting and what's happening nowadays in this area. And it is a huge trend nowadays. So stay tuned and hopefully you will be following my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to it, please try to do that now so that you can get the updates. Thank you.